This is the brand new Osmo Mobile 7, and it might just be the best gimbal for iPhone users in 2025. In this video, guys, I'll show you how it works, what is new, and if it's really worth your money. So stick around. So welcome back again, guys, to the channel. And all right, so let's get into the unboxing of the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 7, DJI's latest smartphone gimbal that promises even smoother footage, smarter features, and an even more compact design. Let's see what comes inside the box. Here we go. All right, guys, the packaging is clean and minimal, typical of DJI's style. So as soon as, let me take this one out now. So yeah, as soon as you open the box, you are greeted, all right, with the Osmo Mobile 7 itself, neatly folded and wrapped in a protective layer. All right. So, guys, this is the gimbal unit, and wow, it's super compact and lightweight. The new design, right? Yeah, we can say the new design feels solid in hand with a matte finish that gives it a sleek and premium look. So with the gimbal, we've got a small compartment with the accessories. So let's see what is included. All right, so let's open this one. All right, guys, so what do we got here? All right, this is one. And one important thing. Okay, first we've got, all right, the magnetic phone clamp. This is one of the DJI's best features, right? Making it super fast to snap your phone and, all right, to snap your phone on and off the gimbal, right? So the next one, we have a USB-C charging cable, pretty standard and good to see. They are sticking, with fast universal charging, all right. And also in the box, all right, we still have, all right, we could say, right, there's some paperwork, the quick start guide, warranty info, and DJI's stickers. And of course, one of the, we could say maybe most of the most important accessories. Also, guys, all right, we have the tripod base, all right, okay, here, which screws into the bottom, all right, of the gimbal, perfect for static shots, right, and time lapses, or even just setting the gimbal down when you're not, all right, filming. So that is everything you get inside the box, guys. The Osmo Mobile 7 is looking like a solid, all right, upgrade, especially with its improved active track, gesture controls, and more intelligent shooting modes. Can't wait to test it out, and I'll show you that in another video, hopefully. See you next time. Bye-bye.